Hi viewers, you're welcome back. If you have been looking for a way to relocate to Canada from your home country with your family on, this is one of the best and easiest way you can move. The province of Alberta is set to launch a new immigration system from 30th of September 2024. And if you are nominated under this program, you will be able to apply for permanent residency status together with your dependents, that's your spouse and your children. The province of Alberta is currently experiencing labor shortages, and why they are opening their borders to individuals from any part of the world to come in to fill in these labor shortages. So in this video, I want you to stick around with me and pay attention to everything I have to say so that you can have a better understanding of how this program works and the requirements and how you can apply to this program. Alberta is set to revolutionize their immigration system with the introduction of this new immigration system, which is the expression of interest system. And this program is going to be launched on the 30th of September 2024. So what is the EOI system? The EOI system is a point-based mechanism that allows candidates to express their interest to immigrating to Alberta. And this system is similar to the express entry pool, whereby candidates enters to a selection pool and are ranked based on their scores depending on different factors, such as score is going to be apportioned to your age, your education, your English language proficiency, and some other factors. After a candidate submits an expression of interest, they will be placed in a selection pool. AAIP, which is the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, will invite selected candidates from the pool to apply based on candidate ranking and provincial labor market needs and priorities. As a result of this new system, AAIP will not proceed with the remaining monthly application acceptance dates for 2024, as the new system will allow for ongoing intake of expression of interest. So initially there used to be specific dates to submit application for your expression of interest, but this newly launched system is completely opened. There's no limit to when you can submit your application. You can continue to submit your application until further notice. So this is because they need a lot of people to come in to fill in these labor market needs. Candidates will be ranked based on your skills, age, work experience, and their potentials to meet Alberta economic needs. So the highly ranked candidate receives invitation to apply. I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your score, because the minimum score that is required for this program is 300 points. Please give me a like just to appreciate the efforts that I put in. Thank you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, because I'm still going to come back when this program is launched, so that I'll take you through the latest update about this program and how to apply. Though I'm going to give you a brief in this video so that you can start getting yourself prepared. So what are the eligibility criteria for this program? Now, experience must be in one of the high demand occupation. Now, I'm going to take you through the list of the non-eligible occupation, because occupation is not part of the ineligible occupation. You are eligible to apply. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, so that I will not spend much time answering questions in the comment section. But if you still have some questions or clarifications to make, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to respond to you. Now, this is the new Alberta occupation in demand list for 2024. Occupation is not here. You are eligible to enter into this pool. Legislator, school principal and administrators, manager in social, community and correctional services, fire chief and senior firefighting officer, escort agency manager, massage parlor manager, secondary school teachers. I'm sorry, you are not eligible. Elementary school and kindergarten teachers. Maybe this program you are not eligible, but there are other programs you can apply to. Source, court officers, dental laboratory is a long list, so I don't want to bore you with this. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video, so you want to go through the list and see if your occupation is there, then you are not eligible. So with that being said, let's move on. So the next thing we'll be checking is how to calculate our score. Now let's look at how the score is apportioned. For age, if you are between 18 to 35, you score 12 points. 36, that is 11 points, and the you begin to lose 1 mark each. If you are above 46, you will not get point for each, but you can still apply. So now let's move to the next one. Education. If you have a PhD, your doctorate, you score 25. If you have master's, 23. If you have post-secondary school degree, that's your university diploma, you get 22 points, and like that. So for work experience, if you have 1 year work experience, you get 9 points. If you have 2 to 3 years work experience, 11 points. 4 to 5, you get 13 points. Then 6 or more, you get 15 points. That's and so on like that. So processing time is 4 to 6 months. So the next thing is, how do we apply? So I'm also going to link the calculator in the description of the video, so you can go ahead and calculate your score. The last thing we're going to discuss now is, how do you apply? Have an active express entry profile, and in your profile you must express your interest to reside and work in the province of Alberta. So you must tick that you are interested in relocating to the province of Alberta. The work experience that you fill in your profile must also be one of the in-demand occupation in the province of Alberta. So by the time you fill out your express entry profile, your CR score must not be less than 300. So if you don't have an express entry profile, let me know in the comment section. I want to see the percentage of people that have, so that probably I could come up with another video on how you can create your profile. You need to have evaluated your credentials, and you need to have written your English language test. So, and that's why I'm encouraging you, because all this will add up to your score. Since the program has not been launched, we still have enough time to get this done, because your ECA will be valid for 5 years and your iHealth for 2 years, so that you know that whenever it is required, it will be readily available. So when you are done with creating your express entry profile, and if you have it already, once your CRS score is above 300, you are ready for this program. So what happens is that when this program is launched, the province of Alberta will look into the federal express entry pool and see those that express their interest to reside in Alberta and rank them. So the candidate with the highest score will be selected, and once you are selected, you'll be given nomination of interest. It will be sent to your email, and you have to respond to that nomination of interest within 2 months. Once you respond to them and you attach your supporting documents, then they will give you invitation to apply. Then you can start processing your permanent residency. I want to give you this tip too, so that you can get selected faster, because a lot of other factors will help the points. Now, what can help your points to increase? I'm concentrating more on people that are outside Canada. If you are within Canada and you have work experience in Canada, you could have an edge. But if you are outside Canada, if you don't have a job offer, you are still eligible. But for you to get selected faster, peradventure we have many candidates that have far above 300 points. If you get a job offer in Alberta, it will give you a higher chance. Also, if you have a child, a sister, a brother, that's sibling, then parents in Alberta is also going to give you an edge. I think that's going to give you about 200 score extra, making 500 points. Then if you have job offer too, it's going to give you extra points. So if you don't have a relative in Alberta, no problem, then you can get a job in Alberta. And if you cannot get a job, you just keep praying to your God that it will get to you if your point is at least above 300. So, but if you want to get nominated faster, if you can get a job offer in Alberta in one of these in-demand occupation, then you'll get your nomination faster. So probably I'm going to be sharing with you the website where you can get jobs, in-demand jobs in Alberta. If you are interested in that, just type in the comment section, interested in getting demand job in Alberta. So the processing is very fast. Within 4 to 6 months, you will find your way here as a permanent resident. You would be able to apply for your spouse and your children and move into Alberta, but you have to live in Alberta for 3 years before you can move to another province. So once you get nominated, what happens is that once you get your ITA, that's your invitation to apply, 600 scores will be added to your points. So you already, let's assume you already have 300 points. Now they are going to add 600 points because you got an ITA from the province of Alberta, and that means the next express entry draw you will definitely be selected. No two way to it, because you've gone far ahead any other persons in the pool. So you are sure that once you get your ITA, the next express entry draw, you are on your way to Canada. So I hope you got value from this video, and I hope you start putting it to work before this program is eventually launched. And once it's launched, I'm still coming back here to put you through on the application. So I wish you the best of luck as you begin to prepare. If you've not written your high health, go ahead. If you've not done your ECA, please go ahead. I just want to record success on this platform, and I wish everyone best of luck. Thank you till I see you in my next video.